Dipped in chocolate vlogs are fire.
Dipped in chocolate vlogs eat. Dipped in chocolate vlogs are the best. Period.
Follow Dipped in Chocolate on her socials.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. It's a girl Dipped in Chocolate. A long time I'm not hear that, don't it? But guys, from the title down below, you see that your girl is going on a date. I haven't been on a date in a minute, so I'm super duper excited right now. I am late, but I am getting ready. Like, I'm gonna do my makeup, put on my dress, put on some heels. Like, your girl finna turn up in this motherfucker, right? So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when a girl Dipped in Chocolate uploads another video. Guys, do not be scared. Don't be afraid to share my content. Like, y'all ain't the only one who wants to laugh and enjoy themselves. Like, don't be stingy. Come on, get with it. I've been telling you guys, share my content, share my content, share my content. And y'all not share my content. Like, what's wrong? But anyways guys, let's go. So guys, if you have watched my previous vlogs with my self-care, I told you that I was gonna test out my new Fit Me foundation, and guys, I love it. It's giving skin. So I did a little highlight. So this is my baking powder. So I went in with my little sponge. So I tap it out a little, but I decided to use this small one. This is the small one. It gets in the crevices and corners of your face to give that seamless look. I really like the sponge that I took up first, but you see this takes up less of the powder. You understand? Now you're just going for a soft glam, this is the perfect one. So I wasn't really pleased with this look at first because I just put the glitter in the corner of my eyes, but then I thought about it and I was trying to be creative, so I went ahead and put it at the end part of my eyes. Guys, I'm really getting better with the makeup, so I'm just trying. I really love how I did the eyeliners. I definitely love my eyebrows. My eyebrows are always my favorite part of my makeup. I'm doing my thing. Look at my little beauty spots all over my face. But anyways guys, these press-on nails are from Dipped in Chocolate merch. You can go ahead and check them out on Instagram. So this is my final look for my face and my hair. You can see that I added the more sprinkles at the end of my eyes for the makeup, and I did my edges and my hair. Manalai, the girl cute, but the girl angle herself, and the girl I go on a date. And that's, yeah. Look on the lady. You cannot convince me. So me's not a girl, a top girl, never a flop girl. You can't convince me that. Yeah, so that's my Uber. Yeah, I'm so pretty. Like, comment down below and tell me what you think about my outfit, what you think about the video. Just interact with me guys, because I'm finna share like my life experiences and my day-to-day actions with y'all, so we're a family, okay? Yeah, I'm just sitting there being cute, but make us up my eyes. I'm gonna watch the vlog and listen to some music, okay? Don't forget to like.
You don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place, 'cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. See no one else love me like you do. That's why I'm spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give it all day long.
for dinner, I got the pork chop and the dirty rice. The dirty rice is kind of like rice and peas, but they have their personal twist to it. The pork chop, I'd give it like a 7.5 out of 10. It was really good, but it was kind of too tough for me. I don't know if I should have requested it to be somewhere else or cooked a different type of way for it not to be that tough or hard to cut. But next time I'll definitely know.
I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
Let me make it sky red.
Mấy bài nhỉ?
So you guys have to do it every night. That's a lot of eggs rolling around.
It's usually not that bad until this fucking one out working.
Oh no! Oh, that guy right there. Oh.
Hey. I'm good people. I'm good. He means well. Put it that way. Yeah.
So hey guys, I'm now back home and everything, so I'm just gonna give you like a review and a rundown of the day and a rundown of like the restaurants and all of that. So the restaurant is called the Six Marina. It is a 4.9 star restaurant, so it's pretty, you know, good. The restaurant itself was so beautiful, but I decided that I wanted to sit outside. You have 3 sections. You have the inside, outside, near the water, the boats, and then you have the other section is the bar. It's like a bar. It's like you don't really have a server. You basically tell them what you want, and then somebody run your food out, or yeah, you something like that. So I wanted that vibe. I didn't want the whole attention from a server. I just wanted to vibe. You feel me? So I really like that they have those 3 options. It was beautiful. Oh my god, you guys saw the clips, the boats. I did not vlog everything because I wanted to savor in the moment, but most we did vlog everything from the so I could see everything from the start to the beginning. I went on a date and I didn't want it to be that, oh, I'm having my phone out every minute and this and that, even though, I'm a vlogger, but same way I wanted you guys to experience it also because it's so beautiful, isn't it? Comment down below and tell me. And guys, because it was Memorial Weekend, there was fireworks, you see me, so it was just beautiful. The moment, like the fireworks, them coming at the right moments, because yeah, we were having early the moments. I was talking, conversating, and everything, and you just see the fireworks. That looked planned. It looked planned. All right, guys. What else? So my outfit. I don't remember where I got it from. The dress. If I remember, I'll tell you. This is the dress there. The dress there has been sitting in my closet for like months. I have that in my closet. I know I'm gonna wear it. So I was like, you know, I have this dress, and I definitely brought it with me because me really didn't want to wear it. You realize sit down, but me really didn't want to wear it, isn't it? So I brought it because I'm like, girl, I have to wear this dress. So I bring the dress with me, and then I finally got to wear it, and it's so beautiful. If you guys check out my Instagram, you can see the people that love it. The people that comment, the people that say, oh, the dress is fire, the dress is talking for itself. And I feel, y'all, I love the dress so much. My jewelry, most of my jewelries are from Shein or Temu, or some just find them around the place and I have them here wear. I didn't really know how to style my hair, so I just did something at the front. You know, I did my own makeup, but it was such a good night. I'd rate the restaurant and the food 10 out of 10. My outfit definitely a 10 out of 10. My hair, I wanted my hair to be different, but you know, I braids me a rock right now. But yeah, everything else was good. The vibe was good. Ambience, customer service. What else? Everything was just great. So I guess that suffices the video. But guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't be afraid to share the content to persons who you think would love my content. Okay? Don't forget to leave a like. And without further ado, love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching.